Welcome to my video channel Vision Science. My name is Shivam Pratap Chaudhary, optometric third year from NAMS, currently studying at Lumini Eye Institute and Research Center. Today I am going to talk about PARC 3-step test or visual key head tilt test. Actually it is a diagnostic test to assess isolated cyclovertical muscles paralysis. Actually there are 8 cyclovertical muscles, 4 in each eye. So basically this head tilt test or PARC 3-step test is going to be complete in 3-step test. So what are the 3-step tests which we have to consider? First step, in primary gaze, which eye is hypertropic, we have to consider whether right eye is hypertropic or left eye is hypertropic. In second step, in which gaze the hypertropia is increases, whether in the right gaze or whether in the left gaze. And third step, in which head tilt the hypertropia is increases, whether in left head tilt or whether in right head tilt the hypertropia is increases. Basically these are diagnostic tests and I am going to explain you deep. Suppose a patient is coming with a head tilt at the right side. Head tilt at the right side shows right eye hypertropia in right gaze. Right is hypertropia in right gaze. Suppose this is right eye, this is left eye, and right eye is hypertropia. If right eye is hypertropia, left eye will be hypotropia. So what we consider, these depression muscles are going to be damaged, are going to be paralyzed, and the elevator muscles of the left side is damaged. So in first step what we have to consider, suppose this is superior rectus, inferior rectus, inferior oblique, superior oblique, inferior oblique, superior oblique, superior rectus, inferior rectus. This is right side, this is left eye. So in first step what we find that the depression muscles of the left side or the right side is paralyzed, whereas the elevator muscles of left eye is paralyzed. In the same way, in third step, in which gaze the hypertropia increases. Suppose in the right eye, in the right gaze, hypertropia is increases like this way. So here this muscle is going to paralyzed and this muscle is going to paralyzed. Left side these muscles and right side this muscle is going to be paralyzed. If I see in the right gaze, my hypertropia is increases. So what we have to consider, the right side abduction muscles are involved and in the left eye the adduction are involved. So I found these are muscles, these muscles, I found these muscles. In the same way, in the third step, in which head tilt the hypertropia increases. Already the patient coming with the right head turn, right head tilt. So this head tilt is compensatory. But we examine in the left side, when he tilt at the left side, the hypertropia is increases. If I head tilt like this way, my left eye will be intort and right side will be extort. If head tilt is like this, the right side will be intort and the right and the left side will be extort. If I do like this, the left eye will be intort and this eye will be extort. So in this same way, if I look at the left head tilt, so what we have to do? Like this, left head tilt, like this, left head tilt like this. So which muscle is common here? Which muscle is common here? Inferior rectus. Obviously, if I do like this, if more is in left gaze, so what I found, this eye will be intort. So superior or intort and inferior rectus are extort. So we find that inferior rectus of right eye. In the summarize, I will be summarize here. Summary of this question is like this: superior rectus, inferior rectus, superior rectus, inferior oblique, superior oblique, this is right side, and this is inferior oblique, superior rectus, inferior rectus. In first what we found, these muscles is going to paralyzed and these muscles are paralyzed, and the patient is looking at the right gaze, hypertrophy is increasing. In this gaze, hypertrophy is increases. In this gaze, hypertrophy is increases. And whereas in the left head tilt, the hypertrophy is increases like this. Head tilt like this. Head tilt like this. So which muscle is common? Here, this inferior rectus. So I found inferior rectus palsy. If I tilt, I already told, if I tilt head my left side, my left eye will be intort and right side will be extort. So intortor, superior or intortor, inferior rectus or extortor. So inferior rectus or extortor. Like this way. Always remember here a point. Always remember a point. If the direction of the if direction of head tilt with the hypertropia is same, then we find oblique muscles are paralyzed. If direction of head tilt is against with hypertropia, then rectus muscles are palsy, are paralyzed. This is a good point you have to remember. Suppose what I told that I tilted in the left side, my hypertrophy is increases, but my hypertrophy is right side. So this is against the direction. So that's why inferior rectus is involved. This way, thank you.